All right, it's time to do some engine timing. I am not going to be recording this because I am bound to say something dumb and show you guys something wrong, but I am going to be linking the video that I used in the description below. Step by step, this guy shows you everything you need to do. If you're going to be doing engine timing, make sure you watch that video. Don't watch me. After the engine timing is done, I'm going to be cleaning up this bay, pulling the E46 over, it's on car dollies right now, and lower the lift so I can get the race car down to my height. So I got all the timing done on the engine. I was a little bit overwhelmed. It's really not as difficult as I thought it was gonna be. Like I said, watch that video, shows you step by step everything you need to do. Now I'm gonna be cleaning up this third bay and getting the race car ready to be pulled apart. So I didn't get as much done today as I was hoping to. I kind of wanted this engine out of here. As you can see, the front end is all pulled apart and the engine's all exposed. I do have some things to move from this engine to the other one, such as like the thermostat, which is already out. I just need to put it in the other one. The valve cover. The valve cover that came with the engine that I bought from eBay, we broke. It's not a big deal. I've got an extra one here, so I'm gonna be moving that over. The other thing I need to do is make sure that my wiring is all labeled so that I know where to put everything when I get the new one in here. So I'm gonna take my time on that kind of stuff. But when I go to pull the engine out, I will be turning the camera back on. I'm sure that'll be a separate video. Okay, a little bit behind the scenes of me and my wonderful don't give a crap if it gets dirty or not outfit. Just gonna give a quick update on what's going on with the engine. So if you look over here, I have everything disconnected. The wire harnesses are laid over the fender here. I want to just make sure that they're all out of the way. And then I have the engine mounts disconnected and the power steering removed. So if you see here, the engine just kind of hanging in there. So it looks like we'll be ready to pull this out. We're going to be cleaning everything up because the garage is a mess right now. We're going to be resetting and pulling the engine out.